Welcome to PrimeXBT. In this video, we'll show you how to place your first trade and how to use different order types. To access the trading environment of the PrimeXBT platform, we need to press the button Trade in the margin section of the account dashboard. Alternatively, we can also access it through the menu on top of the screen by clicking Margin. The trade screen is divided into 4 different sections. The Markets tab, where you can choose the available trading assets. The Orders tab, where you can see pending orders. The Positions tab, where all currently open trades are displayed. And the Chart tab, where you can see a chart of your currently selected cryptocurrency pair. We'll cover in detail in later videos how to amend the charting functionalities to better fit your own style of trading. But now, let's proceed with our first trade. For our example, we've selected the Bitcoin versus USD pair, and we'd now like to place a trade. By clicking on either Sell or Buy, a new window will open where we can specify the parameters of our order. The window shows us which pair we're trading, the order type, the amount we want to trade, the current price, if we want to execute a buy or sell order, and the margin impact of our order. We can also immediately place a stop loss and/or take profit for our order. If we wish to execute our trade immediately for the next available price, we have to choose the order type market. After we click on Send Order, we'll receive a summary of the trade we wish to execute before confirming the order. When pressing Confirm, the trade will be executed immediately. We can now see in the chart where our buy order was executed. And in the Position tab, we can see a summary and the current profit or loss of our trade. Right-clicking on the position in the tab will bring up a menu that allows us to modify or close our position. Alternatively, the position can be closed by clicking on the X on the far right in the position window. If we click on Close Position, we'll get a summary of our trade. Press Confirm if you wish to close the trade. The PrimeXBT trading platform allows you to use other order types to better suit your personal trading style. Currently, the following order types are available additionally to market orders. Limit order. A limit order is a type of order to purchase or sell an asset at a specified price or better. Buy limit orders should be placed below the current market price, while sell limit orders are placed at the price above the current rate of the asset you're trading. If you, for example, wish to buy Bitcoin USD, but you think that the current price is too high, you can define a limit price at which you would like your buy order to be executed. You have the choice of making the order valid GTC, good till canceled, or only for the current day. After confirming the limit buy order, it will be displayed on the chart and in the Order tab. You can cancel the order before execution by clicking on the X and confirming you want to cancel the order. Stop buy and stop sell orders are used if you wish to wait with your trade until the price has moved up to a certain level, stop buy, or down to a certain level, stop sell. For many traders, this order type seems to be counterintuitive, but can make sense if you're waiting for certain price levels to confirm a current price trend. OCO, or one cancels the other orders, are used if you want to place 2 orders but wish that after the execution of one order, the other one gets automatically canceled. This order comes in handy when you have identified that the current price always moves between an upper and lower range, and you wish to sell at the upper range and buy at the lower range. In our example, we want to buy Bitcoin if it goes down to today's lowest price, and we want to sell Bitcoin if it goes up to today's highest price. If one of the orders gets executed, it will automatically cancel the other not executed. Stay tuned to find out in our next video how margin or leverage trading works.